Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. In this one, we are going to look at how to import a table from a PDF document into an Excel spreadsheet. Normally, you would copy and paste the information manually, but when you come to pasting that table or information into Excel, it will cause a whole host of formatting issues within Excel. So before I continue, please like, subscribe and share. So what I've got in front of me is a PDF document, a 3-page PDF document here, page 1, 2 and 3, and what I need to do is copy and paste or extract this table here from page 2, this table here, into my Excel document. And this is what you need to do. Go back to where you found the document, in the URL at the top here, copy the URL, so Control C, go into that Excel document. Now in this worksheet, what you need to do at the top in the ribbon, scroll across to the data option here. Now in the data option there, scroll to the left and above the get and transform data section here, in that section click on from web, because what we want to do, we want Excel, or we want to tell Excel, copy the information from this link from this website. So it will open up this pop-up box here, and what we need to do is right click, paste the link in there, leave this option basic selected here, then go to OK here. And what it's going to do, it's going to process the information from the website. Sometimes you might get another pop-up box appearing asking you if you want to enable or connect to that website. Just click on connect. Because I've already connected to it before, it's gone directly to this navigator pop-up box here. What this does, it shows you a preview of the information it's extracted from that document, and we can see already our information is on page 2 here, but it's also extracted a whole host of different pieces of information there in this section here. But we want this table from page 2 in our Excel document. So at the bottom here, you got 3 options: load, transform data and cancel. The one we want is load, but before you click on load, what you need to do is click on the down arrow here. When you've clicked on the down arrow, choose load to, because then we are going to tell Excel where we want to load that information to. Click on load to, it will open up a pop-up box here. Now in this pop-up box, you need to ensure that the first option has been selected there. So tables been selected, and you can either select existing worksheet, so the information is going to be imported directly into here, or you can select new worksheet, meaning it will create a new worksheet within your desktop, meaning the information will be in there. But I'm going to choose existing worksheet there, and then you simply click on OK like this, and it's getting the data. You can see the queries and connections going, and here you have it. There is your table. All the information is there, so you can cross-reference, go back here, double check whether it's got everything you need, and it looks like it has because the information is there. And then what you simply do is you can either highlight this table here to change the style to whatever style you want, and you may want to get rid of these top columns here, and to be honest, you can format it to your heart's content. So but that's a quick and easy way showing you how to collect or extract the information from a PDF document, embed the table or information from the PDF into Excel. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.